Well, so the hatchback of the year has to go undoubtedly to the Hyundai Santro. It's a phenomenal car in more ways than one. And why do I say that? Well, simply because it's built on the Grand i10 platform, which in itself is a good car. And you get the same kind of space on the inside, you get the same kind of suspension, which is very comfortable. And you also get a nice and refined petrol engine, which makes about 68 bhp. But 68 bhp is all the power that you'll ever need when you're driving in the city. And people who buy hatchbacks really buy them for the ease of driving as well as for city use, and in those two departments the Santro is really one of the best small cars out there. What you'll also get with the new Santro is a host of features which rivals don't even offer. As options, you get Android Auto, you get Apple CarPlay, you get rear AC vents, and a whole host of other features which rivals don't offer even as options. And the feature list isn't the only thing which will impress you about the interiors. The quality of the interiors as well as the design really is very good. It is the best car in terms of overall interior quality at that price point, and being a Hyundai also means that after sales and servicing will not be a big issue, because Hyundai really has the largest number of touch points all across India after Maruti. Well, but if you're not as convinced about the Santro being the best hatchback this year, then please go ahead and check out my video reviews. I've done two. I've done one in English and one in Hindi, so check out your preferred language on our YouTube channel today.